In this video, I'm going to show you how to create files TXT file on Mac operating system. The first thing that you should do is you should open TextEdit. And then after that, you should click here, New Document. Then I have to change the format. So make plain text, you should click here. And now this is a TXT file. If you want to save it, just press Ctrl+S. And you should give a name, for example, first file on macOS. And here you can choose where you want to save. I am going to save on the desktop. And you should click Save. This is my file, TXT file. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel.